Places Let's Go here at Pirogue Adventures in Sorrento, Louisiana. Check out the Cajun village here. We're gonna go in Pirogue Adventures and we're going to come pass a good time at the Cajun. Let's go look and see what's inside.
1, 2, 3. I'm Bruce. My last name is Wagesback. It's a German name, but I'm kind of a German Cajun guy, right? I'm from Vacherie, Louisiana. Everyone know what Vacherie is? Vacherie, Louisiana. So in Vacherie, it's big enough to have a front and a back. And Vache stands for what? Y'all help me? Cow. Shri is what? Shri. Vacherie. My mama always told me it meant cow pasture. So I'm a place called Cow Pasture. And it does have a front and a back. And make no mistake about it, me, I'm from the front end of that smiling cow.
Et il vient de Vacherie, d'un petit village qui s'appelle Vacherie. C'est à l'autre bord du fleuve Mississippi. D'accord? Et vous connaissez le mot vacherie? Oui. Et en français, vacherie, ça veut dire quoi?
Les chanceux.
Cow farm, right. Yeah, so they know the word. Mais ça, c'est le nom du village. Okay. Et the front and back, ça c'est compliqué. Yeah.
Don't comprendre that.
Ouais, il y a des riches.
I'm going to do a little demonstration first, after I get to know you a little bit here.
Okay. Il va faire une démonstration, il va démontrer à faire du cookie jambalaya, the demonstration.
You just pass a good time. That's what they do in Cajun. We pass a good time. That's it.
Oui. Il veut être sûr qu'on passe a good time, ça veut dire qu'on passe un bon moment.
I like it. Okay, good. And you guys, have anybody ever cooked a jambalaya before? You ever cooked a jambalaya? Not the local people.
You didn't say local.
But y'all did it your way, right?
Parmi les Français, est-ce qu'il y a quelqu'un qui a fait du jambalaya?
Right here.
Michel. Mireille.
So what we're going to do is you're going to cook your personal best today, right? Yeah. It's very simple. We got an outhouse back here. You know what an outhouse is? Yeah. It's a two-seater. Yeah. Two-seater. With a wall in between.
Come on, Kathy.
I mean, basically, it goes this way in the swamp, nice and flat, to be able to go in the shallow water. Okay? I turn them upside down to make awesome tables. So.
Ça s'appelle un pirogue. C'est un canoë avec un qui est plat. Yeah.
All right.
So you're getting hot now.
It's awesome.
Beginning. Yeah. Spread it around and leave it alone for a minute.
Normally, I do like politicians.
This is mine.
That is yours.
This is mine.
It looks good. You gonna eat it?
I'm not sure.
It smells good.
Okay.
Oh, it smells so good. Just let it cook.
What you do is brown the pork first, guys, and you're going to put it in the cup. All right, so just brown it down a little bit. It'll turn whitish, a little bit lighter color, and you put it in that cup. Good.
You can just be the help for the car.
See, y'all got this. It's man, you see what this smells like? That's when you want to say, This is the way I do it, okay? Everybody does it different. This one works every time, and you're gonna cook your personal best today.
Turn it over. Don't stir it.
Perfect. Okay.
One tea.
Yeah.
No, don't put that yet. Take this out and put it in the cup.
Is that?
Just in the cup. When it's done. When it's done. Not yet.
You take your meat out and put it in here. That's probably ready. Go ahead and take it out. Look, you take the pork out and you put the sausage in and do the same. Take it out and put it in the cup, okay? Once it starts curling up, that'll be enough. Don't overcook it because we're going to put it back in and cook it all together later. I just want to fry it a little bit to get started. Gotcha.
I love how you use the pirogues and turn them upside down to cook on.
How about that?
That's smart.
I'll tell you what I was going to do. Hold on. Turn this down.
I'm not taking this out yet.
Okay.
We're gonna take it out.
Oh man, that smells good, yeah. Ooh, look. So look, the sausage curls a little bit, that's fine. Take it out and put it in the cup. Then you're gonna put that Holy Trinity in there. Ooh, Lord, it's gonna smell good, yeah. Hot dog.
How's it going?
I've never made this before, so
Oh, smells good.
Oh, thank you.
very good.
How y'all looking over there? How you got them on? You good, man? Yeah, we're close. That's all. It's all.
And you put the rice in now?
That. And put that much more. Right here. I'll put the water right here. Yeah. Yeah.
Little burn. She said take you on because he does not cook.
Good.
You don't cook with us? We cook all the time.
No, she does not. Don't have to speak the language. This is the language.
When we get down a little bit more, then we're gonna put all that back together and really cook together.
They need any salt, pepper, nothing like that?
We're gonna put that in after we put the meat in and let it cook. When we pour all the water, then I'm gonna let it season.
Okay.
How we looking?
Smells good, huh?
Smell good. You want your water? You good. You good. What you want?
How's it going?
Like that? That's about right for that. You don't want to over season it. Okay? So you'll see, put about that much in there. Good. Just cook that together. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it to boil. There you go. You got it. Good job. D'accord. Put that together, put all the meat and onions together. You can give out a little yell, but you because it smells so good. Oh man, awesome! I like it. Looking good, looking good. So when the water comes,
How you say looking good in French?
So this is season we use it select season oil. You don't put too much. There you go. Just a flat teaspoon. Okay? About a tablespoon. Okay? Good. All right. This is when you taste. You see when you have that little spoon. With your little spoon, you can taste the water. You can taste the salt on the front and the pepper on the back in the same mouth. All right.
Taste it.
Taste it. You can over season it pretty easy, so be careful.
Yeah.
It's seasoned.
It's good.
It's good. It's gonna get there.
How big is it? And I heard our queen won for the first time ever. You want to tell us about it?
It is water, caramel color, vinegar, citric acid, garlic powder, pepper, onion, spices, made in New York City. No, it's not.
Where is it made?
Opelousas.
Oh, okay. Oh, we went to the horse track in Opelousas. Yeah, we did.
Just scrape the bottom to make sure it's not.
The water leaves.
Evaporate, and you'll have rice. And then we'll cook. And you're going to boil all the water out. It's going to evaporate, and you have rice, right? And I'll tell you, you're going to have the 8th wonder of the world whenever your root spoon stands up in the rice by itself. That's when you know you're almost ready to put the top on. I didn't know that. Oh, I did that. Let me crank it up for you.
Yeah, maybe ours needs to come up a little. Yeah, hers is hot.
Y'all boiling.
There you go.
So, you see,
Mr. Frank got it boiling.
she's not sitting very long, I can tell.
Just keep off the bottom. Just look at it. Once it gets rolling, you can put it in. Yeah.
You fine. How we doing?
Good.
We got our rice in.
There you go, good deal. I mentioned them really big pots and really long paddles, right? Because look at that picture up there, that's an open fire, right? That guy is not standing that close to that fire, I guarantee you. But anyway, even in a big pot, there's a risk of something burning on the bottom, and once you burn it, the whole thing tastes burnt. And some guys will say, well, that's my smoked jambalaya. Smoked jambalaya don't exist. Burnt jambalaya exists. So I've done that before.
What you have to do is keep the rice off on the bottom to keep it from sticking. Otherwise, it'll stick.
So it's not really a stir. It's a push and a pull.
Yeah, you can stir every now and then, stir like that.
What you making?
Corn shoe
Yes,
and
indeed.
gumbo. Shrimp and okra.
Shrimp and okra. From scratch? Yeah.
Just gotta get a roll.
Good?
Yes.
Well, put it in. I'll let it cook. I'll let it boil all together. Get it over with. Looks good.
Jean-Claude, you taste? You like it?
That's your first barbecue.
It's good?
Good? Yeah. Good? Okay. Now just let it cook. So just let it cook. Put the spoon in there. Just let it cook.
Still just.
You got a good one. Just in case. Yeah. Because right on rice, you take the lid off. Don't the rice, don't go on.
Right now, it's just the stock, the onions, the bell pepper, roux. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yes.
Miss Carol Ann, you boiling now?
We finally boiling. We finally got to boiling.
Just slow starter, that's all.
Yeah. Slow start, but a mighty finisher.
That's right, there you go.
Might be.
So look, I entered the Teapot Jambalaya contest last year, and they call it the mini pot. I did,
Yeah.
and I did this recipe. I used real rice, all that kind of stuff, and had to do it on open fire. There were 36 entries in my division, and I got 4th.
That's not bad.
Yay!
But look, they only gave 3 prizes.
First loser.
I got 4th with like 33 other people. All right.
Do the
How's that jambalaya coming?
They use wood fire,
Oh,
not the
right.
burning wood. So you have to control the wood, take it away, put it back, take it away, put it back. The cover, underneath the cover, the lid.
Ah, you're correct.
You can go anywhere you want.
That's yours. And there.
You know, like, come to me, you know, like.
In this room? Oh boy.
This size of meat on plastic. Yes.
And that room. So now while we're waiting for them to finish cooking, we're going to have some entertainment.
I saw you last time when we came. He took the guitar and yes. Oh, that was wonderful. Yeah, we had a record. The guy said, take the guitar and play. I only have one extra. I don't have any excess love. Ain't never gonna rabbit. Ain't no friend of mine. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit. Ain't no friend of mine. All right.
That's the bell, dinner bell, right? So guys, where you cooked your jambalaya, there's going to be a bowl and a fork. Just serve yourself, and you could sit here or in the other room in the back. And also, just show me your smile. That's it. All right, good job. Good job. Hey.
Oh!
All right, y'all go back inside. There you go.